Hello martial artists, I hope that you are all doing fine. I have a question for you. Do you like presents? Of course everyone likes presents, but the second question I would like to ask you is how you respond to presents. Some of you may feel in debt, some of you may feel no difference, but there is no doubt of one thing. Everybody feels good about receiving a present. So try to imagine what a treat for your body to receive the best treat of all, good food. Too many athletes from all disciplines and sports think that quality and quantity are the only two keys to succeed in their goals. But they forget that it's in the garage that your car rests. It's in the garage where your car gets prepared for the race. And it's in the garage where your car is repaired. And yes, if within my words you will find a hint of provocation, yes, it's true. I'm challenging you all to follow my recipe for 1 week, twice a day, preferably after every workout. You will notice how your body will like it. Some of you may think, who cares? My post-workout milkshake will do the job. Let me tell you one thing. Cosmonauts eat pre-packaged food because they have no choice. You do have a choice, so do yourself a favor and eat good food. After all, food comes from nature, and it's from natural sources that your energy income must come from. Let us begin then, as I'm already starving. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm giving you the Italian Minestrone Buono. stage of the cooking you have two options. Leave it as it is or adding some risoni. Risoni is a type of pasta which is very small. It's very suitable for minestrone and soup. So, in my opinion, is the best choice if you want to add a little bit of carbs to the original recipe. It's also my favorite choice because in the end, if you eat the minestrone without any carbo, you will end up in 10 minutes eating the legs of your table because it doesn't fill you up. So my suggestion is to add a sprinkle of these ones 10 minutes before you end the cooking. No longer than that because everybody knows that pasta automatically pops when it's in boiling water. So if you don't want to overcook it, put it 10 minutes before you end your cooking. Remember guys that this minestrone is a standard one. You're free to add salt and pepper according to your tastes. But please don't forget the most important ingredient, extra virgin olive oil on top. Last thing, if you like this Minestrone Buono, you can also decide to put it in single jars and freeze them. They will last as long as you want, and anytime you want to taste the original Minestrone Buono from Italy, you can defrost them 8 hours before and simply reheat them. Guys, for today it's all. But before we say arrivederci, I would like to thank you all for arriving until this point of the video. If you wish to discover more about martial arts, regardless of the topic, please visit my website martialartsexplained.com. Don't forget 3 things: train hard, sleep hard and eat hard. Grazie mille. Ciao! Almost forgot. I forgot to mention the most important ingredient of all the list. Time. Guys, time is important in everything you do in life. Time is the best ingredient you can put when you want to achieve high results. And talking about food, everyone knows that a slow cooked meal requires time. So for this minestrone, probably if we compare it to other type of Italian foods, you don't have to cook it for such a long time. I think that 3 hours will do. No more than 4 hours anyway for this try.